what's the top problem we see? Fundamentally, the thing that I see all the time is that data is considered too little, too late, and from a really limited perspective. And I think that that's really critical. It's an ERP implementation. Generally, you get your folks in there and you start to work on it, and there's a lot of focus on the process and the technology, getting the integrations up and running, a lot of process redesign for sure. And that's really important. But I think there's an assumption that the data is just going to magically fall into line. And it's not magic, and it won't. It might fall in line within the ERP, but that broader perspective of how that data is going to really land in your organization, that does not happen by accident. And as a matter of fact, if your current environment is fragmented, that's just proof that it doesn't happen by accident, because otherwise it would just have magically happened for you. So an ERP doesn't generally cover 100% of an organization's operations. And so even if the data is doing great within the ERP, really thinking about those ripple effects. What other systems need to be adjusted to accommodate the ERP data and changes to the data model? How does the day-to-day vocabulary of your organization change with the data coming out of the ERP? And vocabulary changes are part of culture change as well, and can be tremendously difficult to do successfully. And so I think it's really important that the big data picture for your organization is given equal priority with process redesign and technical integration. And that's really critical to make sure you can realize the value of your ERP investment.